Well, hi there guys. Today is my junior prom, which is just basically a school dance. So basically I need to get ready for this dance. I'm gonna put some makeup on, try to look a little more presentable, you know. So I figured I would just film it because that's fun. It's not really a tutorial, it's more a get ready with me because I don't know exactly what I'm doing. I'm just gonna get started because I'm actually running late. I'm kind of, if you couldn't tell, but I'm kind of running late to go to my friend's house. I'm just gonna get started with this. Kind of look like a founding father, but you know, this is not the hair I'm gonna be wearing tonight. Don't worry about that. I bet this is literally just water. Should I do my eyes first? Or should I do my face first? I'm not gonna do a heavy eye look. I'm not feeling that. I'm feeling glowy and fresh face, if you know what I'm saying. That's what I'm going for today. Yeah, I'm just gonna do my skin first. Actually, no, I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. I have no clue how people do makeup videos and talk at the same time because every single time I do something, I pause because I can't multitask like that. Oh, I should have gotten my eyebrows done for this. I really should have. Too late. Also, I did my nails looking kind of cute. Not really because my nails are actually stubs. I should have gotten like acrylics or something, you know? Been a little more festive for this. But every single time I freaking get acrylics, I literally hate my life. I mean, I just like tapping on stuff because it's really fun. And then my hands look beautiful, but they're so not functional. I decided to ask you guys on Instagram. By the way, follow me on Instagram because that's probably where I'm the most active at responding to comments and responding to you guys in general. So if you want to talk to me, I respond to DMs a lot, so DM me, slide in guys. This is a little Q&A segment because otherwise I just don't know what to talk about. Oh my gosh, this is not working out. Have you dated? No, I have not dated. I haven't even been close to dating, to be honest, so that's kind of sad. A little sad, but I hate this eyebrow. Mine aren't even sisters. This eyebrow is freaking wacko. This is not working out. Oh my god, look how long this eyebrow is. This is what happens when you stop, because I used to at least put eyebrows on every day, and now I literally don't wear makeup at all because I'm lazy. I can definitely tell because my makeup skills gone very, very downhill. Ooh, this is not looking well. You know what, we're gonna call that good. Okay, so I got a few questions if I'm dating, if I have dated, if I have a boyfriend, girlfriend. No, I do not. Nor have I ever. Honestly, I'm kind of scared that I'm literally not gonna date anyone until I'm freaking married. Yeah, not gonna lie, but what's the hardest thing about doing YouTube? I think it's just that I get in my, how are my nails chipping already? I literally painted them this morning. Ooh, I almost forgot. Look at this tiny little sample. Like, I thought this was gonna be a normal size sample. Look how small this is. I don't even know if this is one use, but we're gonna try it anyways, so. I think that the hardest thing for me is just being consistent, I guess. I either don't get that much hate or I just don't notice it or acknowledge it, which is like a good thing, I guess. Oh, I should have like shaved my mustache. I'm gonna do that, BRB. I'm back. Okay, I don't know if you've seen one of these before. Okay, it hurts really bad, but it pulls out your mustache hair or whatever. And I'm a very hairy person, so I had to do this when I was younger because I had a really hairy lip and I'd be bullied for it, you know? I was like crying because this kind of hurts. But now I've learned how to endure the pain. I just finished doing my mustache. Yeah. I think the hardest thing for me is getting in my own head, finding the balance between being like self-motivated but then not being too critical about yourself. If that made any sense, whatsoever. Probably didn't. Gonna do my eyebrows right now, and eyebrows are something that takes freaking heck ton of concentration for me because I suck at them. So I'm probably gonna space out, just letting you know. Whatever. It be time to do eyeshadow. Are you gonna keep doing online school? I'm gonna do either 1 or 2 online courses. So if you guys didn't know, I take 3 courses at a time. And so I think I'm gonna do either 1 or 2 of them online and then at least 1 on campus, because if I don't have at least one thing that forces me to get out every day, I think I'm just gonna die a little. What grade are you in and when did you start YouTube? I am a junior right now. Not gonna lie, I don't even know when I started YouTube. I'm pretty sure it was 6th grade. Favorite drink? For the longest time, I wouldn't drink anything. I would just be like, I only drink water. Like when I was a kid, I never drank milk at all, which explains why I'm literally 2 feet tall. Kind of sucks, you know. I wish my parents shoved milk down my throat and made me drink it so that I could be tall and beautiful, you know, but that didn't happen, so that kind of sucks. Oh, and I used to never drink like coffee or anything, but recently I've been getting into it, you know? Oh my gosh, this is not working out. My favorite drinks, I have quite a few. I like Americanos with a lot of Splenda in it, you know? And either coconut milk or soy milk if I'm feeling it for the day. And then I love bubble tea. I love smoothies. I like kombucha now. I just recently tried it and it's so good. I honestly didn't answer your question because you said favorite drink and I said literally 10 things. Oh, I love coconut water. Coconut water, so good. Okay, I think this is dark enough. I'm not trying to go dark today. I'm trying to be light with it, you know? Now I think I'm just gonna put some shimmer on my lid because I feel like being a little pretty. Favorite store to shop at and why? Well, most of my clothes is from Forever 21, but I wouldn't really say it's my favorite store. They have so much stuff that it's like physically draining to go there. Even if I'm not shopping, just going there drains me. That was like my middle school days. I really like Brandy, although they are annoying for many reasons. I don't want to say my favorite store, but most of my clothes is either from Forever 21 or it's thrifted. Oh, frickle. I think my makeup skills have gone down so much, it's kind of depressing. Favorite place to travel to? Honestly, I'm just gonna go ahead and say Hawaii because Hawaii can never disappoint. Always pretty, nice sunsets, beautiful beaches, you know, it's got it all. I feel like every time I wear foundation, it fricks up my skin a little bit, so I have no clue how people wear foundation every day. Oh, my teeth look white right now. I think it's because I just made myself 3 shades darker. If you could live anywhere, where would it be? I don't know. I feel like if I say LA, y'all are gonna come for me, but I wouldn't want to live in downtown LA. I really like Laguna Beach. I like Laguna Beach and Malibu. Ethnicity. I am half Chinese and half Japanese. Now what am I gonna do? Oh, I need to conceal. Don't let it show. I'm funny. How do you take such pretty pictures? First off, thank you. And second off, all credit to my mom because she honestly, she's a real one. What makes you happy in life? That question made me happy. I don't know why. Okay, well, let's go on a little, I look so tan. I can't, oh gosh. What makes you happy? A lot of small things. I like it when little babies smile at you because you know when a dog or a kid really takes liking to you, that is like the biggest compliment. These are just things off the top of my head. Unexpected things like when strangers are nice to you or like compliment you. It's really nice. Beautiful like sunrises and sunsets. That's a topper. Having like a solid conversation with a good friend or like a person you haven't talked to in a while, that's always good, brightens your mood, you know? So those are just a few things. Favorite accessory? Recently I've been really into belts, but I would say my favorite accessory of all time is just, I don't want to say like friendship bracelets, but like anklets and like Pura Vida style, like stacking all of them, you know? I'm really into that. Or just like simple rings, stacking rings. always looks real nice. Oh, or earrings. I like a lot of earrings, okay? I'm kind of scared. Why do I look so dark right now? Oh my gosh, I didn't even put eyeshadow primer on. Favorite songs to jam out to? Well, I'm the kind of gal who likes some old classic One Direction. That's always a banger. Hannah Montana, you know, and she's coming back. That's pretty rad of her. Please give me skincare. Yes, give me skincare recommendations. Oh, a lot of people have been asking for a skincare routine and stuff, and I'm planning on doing one very soon if y'all have been asking. So all right. What made you start a YouTube channel? Since I was really young, I would be that girl who would literally narrate everything that I was doing. I'd be like,
guys, so now I just woke up and I'm walking downstairs and I'm making breakfast.
Literally to no one, and I would just be like, yeah. So basically, since I was young, I was very fascinated with YouTube. I was a big motivator. One of my favorite YouTubers was this Asian girl, Bubs Beauty. I don't know if she's still around. I have not watched her channel in a while now, but I loved her. I also loved Bethany Moda. Duh, met her and I was like starstruck a little bit, not gonna lie. Yeah, so I think it's always something that I wanted to do, and then one day I was just like, Melanie, just do it, you know? How are you so confident? Honestly, fake it till you make it is some of the best advice, but I wouldn't consider myself someone who's super confident or anything. Confidence has to do a lot with who you surround yourself with. So if you're with others who are constantly putting you down, you're not going to feel good about yourself, and then you should not be hanging out with those people. You know, you need solid friends who hype you up. Your family should be your #1 supporters as well, hopefully. I'm gonna do lashes now. Lashes never really turn out so great for me. By the way, if you couldn't tell, I took my lash extensions off. Not that I did not like them, because I really did. I was just gonna fill them in, but then I was like, oh, I need to wear falsies for JP anyways, so I didn't want to like double up on them and look, you know, wacky. Update you guys on that as well if you want a little update. I beat on the best friend. How tall are you? Yeah, funny story. I'm 5 feet tall, which kind of sucks. It's a hard life, honestly. My goal height, I would love to be a solid 5'3", 5'2", or 5'3", which isn't even that tall, you know? It would be possible. Maybe if I drank milk when I was younger. Ooh, look at that baddie. Strawberries or watermelon? Watermelon, duh. Strawberries, if you get good strawberries, then they're so good, but I feel like most of the time they're not that good, and it's kind of depressing. But I love strawberry flavored stuff, like strawberry ice cream. Okay, literally every single time I do lashes, I have to apply them twice. It's kind of getting on my nerves, not gonna lie. Do you like your name? Kind of random. Honestly, sometimes when I say my name, I'm at a restaurant taking my order at Starbucks or whatever, I feel like I say my name weird because people always say it wrong, and I don't know if it's because the way I'm saying it, if that makes sense. Because when I say Melanie, I don't know. You wouldn't think my name is super hard, but I get a lot of subs who butcher my name. This one sub, I've had him multiple times, and he would read it Melanie Locke, and I was like, you're kidding, right? Lips or something. I feel like a lot of Asian girls have really nice natural lips, and my natural lips kind of just suck. Like, they're a really weird shade. Now we're just gonna put some gloss on. Okay, I think I'm done. Oh, that took so long. Alright guys, I was gonna film me like curling my hair, but honestly that's not even that interesting, so I'm just gonna end it here. So thanks guys for watching. This is my finished look, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Toodles.